In this episode of Sailing Miss Lone Star, we sail with another female captain. We do a few repairs on deck to seal up a couple leaks, and we head offshore. Okay, it's another day and we have recruited help. It's exciting. We're gonna have this done. I don't know if I should say how long it's gonna take to get this done because then I'm always a liar. I'm like, this is gonna take an hour. 1 week later. All right, let's meet our new crew, our saviors here on the tow rail project.
But we thought we'd come over and help, and then we're gonna go for a sail later today.
If you're thinking about getting on a sailboat, starting a YouTube channel, do it. It's really cool. You meet the coolest people. Let's go see who else is on the boat.
What's going on? My name's Tyler. I'm traveling on a 1977 Erickson 27 named Grisabella. Rolled up here about a week ago, been traveling for a month down from Charleston. Met these two nice people and here doing a little repair on the boat.
So I'm wondering where these two nice people are. Okay, you guys, we are going to get crack-a-lackin'. I'm gonna add the beetle tape, or as known on this boat, the butt tape, to the coach bolts. These guys are gonna use the 3 drills and impact drills they brought over and pull the old coach bolts out. We bought new ones yesterday because the ones that are in there are quite corroded. What do they say? Many hands make for fast work? Is that the saying? So now we have some people on board and I'm super stoked. I'm down here adding butyl tape to all of these coach bolts that we got yesterday. Butyl tape I found out about way too late in my sailing career, but it's fantastic. We have butyl tape on everything. I was using 5200. You live some, you learn some. Woo-wee! All right, so we have 6 hands on deck, 3 people. You like that math there? Okay. What have we got going, gentlemen?
Got a lot going over here.
In a nutshell, the nuts have dropped. But once this is sealed up, I'm gonna be able to do the teak down below, and I'm so stoked on that. I love the woodworking. Woo! I have reinforcements. This is Allison, and she's helping me ungoop some of the bolts. So yesterday, and regoop, that's right. So yesterday when I went to West Marine and bought 100 coach bolts, we actually needed 120 and we just figured that there would be enough. Can you hear me? They're grinding outside. So cross your fingers. If not, we're gonna be boiling these things again like we were the other day, which is a little bit of a pain in Rumpus's rice. But now I have this beautiful, I'm gonna link her YouTube channel right now. Ooh. Captain Allison is taking us for a sail. How does it feel to be relaxed?
We have water flow.
Charts it around now.
Yeah. Sweet. Doing her checks like a pro.
Yep. Battery 1.
And we don't have just one deck boy, we have 4 deck boys today. Isn't that right? And not just this hairy windlass here.
I'm thinking we just go out the inlet and just kind of like go straight.
Okay.
And then stick the sails up, get some rigs ready to catch monster fish.
So that is the goal, right? Is
Yeah.
to catch a fish.
Yes.
Okay, and knock some barnacles off?
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Looking good, sister.
What, you're not aggressively shouting at each other?
No. So there are so many new sailing YouTube channels, and I think it's fantastic. I think my biggest piece of advice, having done it now for 6 years, is just keep doing it. And people will find you and love your story. So don't give up, ever.
I check the weather as we start.
As it's too late, he's checking the weather.
I know, I didn't see
It's actually supposed to rain now.
Is it? I didn't see rain, but not like an
Not
expert.
a lot. There's
In my experience, the weatherman is a dirty, rotten liar.
Let's go out there, catch 3 mahi and come back.
Yeah, we'll go out there, catch 3 mahi,
Yeah.
turn around, come back.
Out and right back in.
They're also gonna fillet themselves on the way back to port. Captain?
Good, having fun. At least those were swells and not like breakers like they usually are. It just flows because we're like against current strong now. That's why I wanted to get out before now so we can just like zoop.
So our beautiful captain, Allison, has gotten us out of the inlet safely and we're gonna let the sails out. Good? Yeah?
Yeah. Confident in my boat and in myself.
Good. Very good.
Hopefully once we get out of like the actual inlet, it'll settle down, maybe.
It's a little sporty.
Guess we'll see. Yeah.
Maybe we need a reef.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need, well, we could probably put 2 reefs in. That'll probably be most comfort, max comfort.
Okay.
Plus the goal is to catch fish. So,
Yes.
yeah.
What do we need for that? Like 5-6 knots? Is that what you like to troll at?
Yeah, I don't even know.
All right.
Yeah.
We're gonna be going 12 knots, trying to catch some wahoo.
12 knots.
So we at least need to go at 10.
If we get 12 knots on this Catalina 30 today, I'm gonna be super impressed.
Can I buy one?
Yeah, I'll buy one.
Yes.
What?
Nothing, I'm just riding the waves, man.
Girl.
Nice.
16 hours in, we have caught exactly no fish.
Yeah.
Allison was attacked by a shark.
Yeah. Yeah, we survived though.
See that?
Yeah, barely. Yeah, you should see the shark. I got him real good. Yeah.
Set course to Cuba. Perfect.
But the other Cuba, the North Cuba, right?
North
Yeah.
Cuba.
Hey, fish on, fish on!
Oh shit!
Fish
Oh
on!
shit!
Oh, we got dinner, we got dinner! Hold on, look at it back there!
Oh yeah, there.
Oh, shit! Oh, it's jumping, y'all! It's jumping!
It's 100
Oh,
pounds.
man! Hold on. Somebody get the gaff. Get the gaff ready. I'm gonna bring it up alongside.
We're super
alongside. Woo, woo! Y'all, it's a tuna! Hey! That's a big ass
Nice. Dinner is on.
tuna. Dinner is on.
So there you have it. We are back on the inlets and we did in fact catch a big ass tuna. Allison has captained us in so expertly.
Maybe let me scare this one.
You can dip on the other side of that channel marker.
What? I think we're good here.
Which one of you guys is cheating?
Him because he won.
Oh.
So you got the gist of it.
Got a gist. Let's play
Yeah.
for real. Boat titles on the table.
Oh boy.
No one wants Isabella.
If you are interested in the Hunter 37 Legend, send me an email, misslonestaradventure@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time on Sailing Miss Lone Star.